start with the makeup tutorial and hairstyle tutorial. First, take some loose powder. You can use foundation too and cover your face nicely. As you can see I am doing. Don't forget to cover your neck and eyes too for better result of eyeshadow. It's time for shadow. Take a light color and apply it to the crease of your eyes. Then take a dark shade, brown or black. Apply it to the eyeball area. As you can see I am doing. I have done the other off camera. Then it's time for eyebrows. Take a edge brush and brown shade. Draw the outline of your eyebrows. Then fill it nicely. I have done the other off camera. Then it's time for nose. Take a golden shade and apply it to the both side of your nose and blend it nicely. Then take a white shade and apply it to the top or middle of your nose to highlight. Then it's time for liner. Draw your liner bold and thick and make the wing like you want. You can make the wing big. I have done the wings off camera. Then take a sharp brush and the white shade and apply it to the lower line of your eye for bigger eye look. You can use white eye pencil too. Then it's time for blush. Take a red blush and apply it to the cheeks. You can pout your lips for better result. As you can see I am doing. I am releasing the braids off camera. Then apply a dark lipstick and this is the final look. Put on earrings, wristwatch and the accessories you like. Hair time. Tie your hair or clip your hair from one side. This is the look. You can pin up your hair from the other side also. As you can see I am doing. It's up to you how you want the hair. And this is the final look. The Indo-Western look. Sari with shirt. It's trending. Do like, share and subscribe and also let me know by your comments if you have any ideas or any request which you want me to do. Thank you.